Hey everyone, I'm Farhana and welcome back to my channel. Summer is just knocking on the door here in UAE, and today I'm gonna share our spicy summer dinner recipe. My today's recipe, chickpeas and sausage stew. Here I have taken 250 gram of chickpeas and the same amount of sauces, 1 bell pepper, a finely chopped tomato, 1 onion, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, 2 green chili, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano. So we are done with the ingredients. Let's start cooking. I'm gonna start with frying the sauces. I am using 4 tablespoons of olive oil here. I will heat the pan and fry the sauces for around 2 to 3 minutes on a low flame. Here I am done with frying, and now I will transfer this from the pan and we'll start making the stew. Cook the onion until translucent. I am using 1 teaspoon of garlic paste here. I forgetfully didn't show this ingredient earlier. Now I will slowly add all other ingredients, adding tomato. I am giving it a good mix and adding half teaspoon of salt. I am using canned chickpeas here, which is already salted, so half teaspoon will be enough for me. Now adding paprika powder. I am adding cumin powder and pepper powder. Adding chili. Now it's time to add oregano. I am adding 2 teaspoons of tomato paste to turn it into a thick gravy. And now we can add the chickpeas. Now coat all those chickpeas into this delicious flavorful gravy. It's already dried out, and now I'm gonna add the sauces. Toss the sauces with the spices for a few minutes. Adding bell pepper. I feel like I need to add more salt, so I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt now. Adding up half a cup of water. Putting the lid on, and I'm gonna cook it for another 5 minutes. Garnish it by sprinkling coriander leaves. So we are all done. It looks really fabulous and smells delightful. If you really like my today's recipe, give a thumbs up. Do subscribe, do press the bell icon, and stay connected if you like, because you will get a lot of interesting recipes and exciting crafting ideas in this channel. Stay tuned. Don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section about today's recipe. I'll see you all next time. Till then, bye bye.